So far, the CPI data has just come out. There is a lot of implications to this data that has just been released. As you guys can see, the markets are going a little bit fucking nuts. So let's take a look at what we have going on here. Again, we had SPY come right to this level that I have right around 414. So again, when we're talking about what the price action was like over the last few days, currently it's kind of feeding into exactly what I was saying. They're keeping it within a certain range in order to make sure that they're not going to let it get too out of hand right now. So it came up to the level, rejected, and now it's starting to make its way back up. You were basically chilling right around 396 to 398 going into close yesterday, and now we are up back above 400 with Powell coming out tomorrow. But the actual data, what it said was that year over year CPI data was up 7.1% versus the expectation of being up 7.3. So inflation was less than expected. And I believe it's the lowest headline print that we've seen in a while. Hold on, the biggest decline. Let me see what the exact statement is. Biggest decline since April of 2020. So US year over year CPI drops 0.64%, biggest decline since April 2020. So here's what this is leading into. It gives the Fed the ability to decrease the pace at which they are increasing rates a little bit more. Now, do we still have a long way to go? Yes. The target rate of inflation is 2, not 7.1. So we still have a long way to go, but this is a step in the right direction. We're most likely going to be getting a 50 basis point hike tomorrow. That's what I'm expecting. But here's where it gets very interesting. Hold on. Hold on. All right. So it's kind of talking about the pivot. And again, guys, this is a public stream this morning. So if you guys all wouldn't mind hitting that like button on the way in, we would greatly appreciate it over here. It helps get these streams out to some more people. But let me pull up this for you guys because this is where things get very interesting. Okay, so this is the Fed Watch tool, or basically the probability tool that we use to determine what the next rate hikes could be. So when we're looking at this data right here, we're currently at a target rate of 375 to 400 basis points. That's after the last Fed meeting and the last rate hike. This is our current target range. For tomorrow, we have a 70, basically an 80% probability of a 50 basis point rate hike. So you see that the target rate could go to 425 to 450. So this is what broadly the market is pricing in here. So we can use this as our baseline. What happens when we go to February? Okay, keep that 425 to 450 number in mind. Now there's now it just jumped 49.2% probability of 450 to 475. That's a 25 basis point rate hike potentially coming in February. That's interesting. That is some very interesting data here. Now, remember, the Fed still has to get all the way up to their terminal rate and hold it there for a decent period of time. But we don't know what that level is going to be. So I actually got to change this tweet a little bit, 49.2, because I tweeted this out. Hold on, let me see. 49.2% probability now. All right, let's see here. Good morning, OG 1348 crew. Good morning, Zach F. How you doing, buddy? Let's see. Price structures extremely similar to December 2021 on just like the overall market. Dude, the glare on these screens right now is fucking terrible. I can't even read. Did I strangle or straddle this morning? No, absolutely not. We were talking about this yesterday. The actual name of the game yesterday going into today was to try and make positions free. That was the goal, to make positions free. It never ended up happening. If you were trying to get a play to go into CPI, it was all make it free, because the implied volatility this week is so high that you would need such a wild aggressive move to even make the risk worth it to hold any like bi-directional position overnight. It just didn't make sense. But let's hit. Dude, you guys are murdering the like button. Thank you guys. We're already at 54 already. Again, team, this is a public stream, so keep that up. You guys are fucking crushing it. I love it. So Apple up near these highs here has, I mean, it did flash 150, came up to 150.66. This level here on Apple is going to be important. That 150 breakout level and this 414 level on the SPY as well. So it hit 414.10. Let's see if it can get above there. Honestly, my game plan for today is probably going to be wait. It's probably going to be to wait. I mean, we've had some pretty solid days over the last few days here. I don't really want to force anything. I would love to catch a reversal move, but the indicators are going to look at might get a little bit wonky with where price is right now. And again, that reversal video is out for you guys to go see, but this could get real interesting today. Good morning, great Discord fam. Come learn with us. Chameleon. Yeah, actually, guys, we have a 3-week free trial for platform right now. So if you guys want to come in and check out our brand new, shiny, awesome platform, you guys can get a 3-week risk-free trial right now. You get Invictus, Pythagoras, Trader Joe, all the live streams, all the curriculum videos, unusual options activity, and much, much more. So that link is at the top of the live chat for you guys. But this is getting interesting today. I mean, it's probably going to be a wait and see day for me. Shopify up almost 8. Dude, AMD's up a decent amount here. How many dollars is this up today? $4? See, I know how many shares of AMD I have now total because I looked at it the other day, and any single time I see like a dollar move, I know how much money I make, and I'm like, oh, this is good, or oh, this is shitty. It's great. Let's see. Netflix, everything is up this morning. Literally everything is up. Let's see. Netflix. Let's see. Yeah, Netflix up 3. SPY. Dude, everything is going nutty over here. What am I looking at today? I'm waiting. These types of moves I will be waiting for the market to actually pick its direction. You've seen the move up. So CPI came out, the market reacted positively, it's made its move. What happens now? This move up here does not mean really anything to me today. Like, it doesn't tell me that the market's going to continue higher. It could, but this move up in reaction off of CPI doesn't necessarily mean that we're just going to continue ripping higher. I think it's possible that we come back up to this 414 right here. See what happens. We're currently sitting at around 409.50, but this could get real interesting. This could get interesting. So this is just wait and see for me. Any type of news that comes out, it always becomes caution. That's always what it comes down to, just caution. Someone was asking if they should hold their 165 Tesla put yesterday. I hope they didn't. I hope they didn't either. But again, it's up to everybody at the end of the day. Our rules are just not like, it doesn't like, that doesn't make any sense to hold anything overnight with our strategy and our rules, unless it's free or unless you have way more time than you think you need, or remember, unless you size it for 0. Good morning, SB. In the video, you mentioned that a stock was up X dollar amount. Where are you getting the dollar amount to determine the possible reversal since it's up? I'm not. I was just saying how many dollars it was up. Netflix on last Friday was up like, I don't know, 4 or 5%, which translated on that day to like 17 to $20. So it already had made a really, really aggressive move. I was just looking at it's basically an arbitrary data point. It doesn't matter. Especially holding overnight into CPI. That's insane to me. Yeah, unless you're hedging, like you have to hedge it. If you're going, I tweeted this out yesterday. I was like, this is not the week to be a hero. If you're holding one directional bets or positions into CPI or into any coin flip event, nobody knows what's going to happen. You might think people know, they don't know. So, you're just gambling at that point, and that's not how you have long-term success in this market, by just YOLOing like a small percentage of your portfolio on a one-directional bet on a coin flip. 2.6% of the portfolio from TQQQ shares. Now I sit back and watch. Angel, there you go, buddy. There you go. So again, the movement up here, I mean, it's fizzling a little bit. You've seen a lot of green coming in here, but let's see if things are actually going to hold. You want to watch these the Fed watch tools over here. Let's see what February is looking like now. Now it's 53.3 for the 25 basis point rate hike. That's interesting. So they're pricing in. What's the bond market doing? Oh my fuck. Look at that. They bought the shit out of these 10-year bonds, which makes sense. Where's TLT? TLT should be up. Oh man, dude. I don't know. I mean, we called TLT in the low 90s. So it's at 108 now. It's not time for the TLT play. I mean, everything is kind of going in our favor with the TLT play. It's coming. It's just not right now. You could have hit it on the if you were buying the contracts when I made that video, and still right now have been up a crazy percentage. I didn't get it yet just because I haven't seen what I need to see for the overall big green light, but it's coming. The TLT trade is coming. So let's see here. What else do we have today for data? Nothing. Nothing. All CPI, and then tomorrow we get Powell. Google's even up. Well, Google can be up. That's fine. That's fine. Google's up. Question about the reversal video on the Netflix portion at 10:15 a.m. The indicators show a reversal as well. H diamonds. This is part of the video that I want you guys to watch, and it comes at the end of the video. I don't look for reversals in the morning. I don't look for reversals in the morning. Just because, one, you're gonna see more volatility in it. You haven't given the stock enough time to get tired. So I usually wait until at least 11:45 to start hunting them. So yes, it does look like it could have that reversal move. It's just the risk reward and the time of the day and just overall logic behind the trade wouldn't make sense for it to happen in the morning. That's why when I come on those midday streams, you guys see that I'm either already in a position or I'm saying like my spidey senses are tingling because you're about to get these moves down. Like it takes time for them to play out. Can you explain how to see the risk versus reward? Yes. Yes, we're gonna have Lori, I'm gonna make a longer video on that, but it depends. It depends on what you're looking at. You can set your own risk reward, which a lot of people do, in terms of like percentages. What I like to do a lot of the time now, though, is use spots on the chart as my point of risk. It tightens it up. So it gives you a point on the chart where you know that the trade's probably incorrect. So I'll use a level, the 13, the 48, the 200, or VWAP. So if we're above those levels and I'm looking at calls, one of them, let's just say I'm using the 13 here, for example, and it gets a closing candle down below, I'm done. No more. SPY at 410. Would you miss CPI, buddy? Do you use expected move as well? Only when I'm playing earnings, not for the reversal trades. But let's see here. Dude, we are almost at 100 likes already. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. The morning crew, the afternoon crew, you guys have been real awesome recently. And again, we're going to see what Invictus wants to give us a little bit later too. And remember, you guys all have access to that 3-week free trial, risk-free with the new platform. So if you guys want to come check that out, the link is up at the top of the live chat, completely free. Let's see. All right, thanks. Yeah, the only time that I use expected move, I calculate it myself just like quickly, and that's for earnings, which I do very rarely. Again, keep it simple, guys. I think you guys saw from that reversal video, keep it simple. Don't try to let all these other people out there cloud your mind with all this complicated nonsense. Again, some things that are going to happen in the market, and this is a good lesson for everybody, and I keep saying this, patterns, like trading patterns, like chart patterns, they have a probability. Everything is going to have a probability of playing out the way that you think it is. Everything does. It's the market. There's a probability of anything happening. It might be really low, but there is a probability of it happening. With chart patterns and a lot of these other things, it's not a high enough probability that it's going to play out consistently. And for what I see, to actually put my money at risk, it's just not high enough. You have to, I think Zip Trader says this all the time. You got to trade like a spoiled brat. Don't let the market dictate what you like. Don't let the market convince you to do things that you don't want to do or that don't make sense. Follow up from back to basics yesterday. Do you wait until all indicators are in your favor or majority in your favor before making a trade? Yeah, pretty much. I need confirmation from a lot of different things. Hold on. Let me look at this. All right. Yeah, let's see what we got on Twitter now. Yeah, that probability is stepping up for the 25, which is really interesting, dude. I knew you were Charlie's brother. I'm not Charlie's brother. I think I've heard him say that before. But yeah, that's essentially what you want to do. Like if it doesn't meet your criteria in your setup, don't do anything. That's the name of the game sometimes. If you're not seeing what you want to see, don't trade. It's a discipline thing, which we're going to be talking a lot about in some of these videos coming up as well. But like Warren Buffett, some years he doesn't do anything. Zero. Makes no decisions. Sometimes making no decision is the best decision, or like no trades. Your biggest losses have been from trying new things. Do more of what works and less of what doesn't. Yeah, you're gonna get lifetime before the month is over. Christian, shout out to all of our lifetimers. We appreciate you guys. The new platform is a game changer. Lori, I appreciate that. Yeah, we're finally ready to start opening up some slots. So if you guys do want that free trial, it is up at the top of the live chat, man. 3 weeks you got. Hold on, I gotta look at this quick. Let's see. Let's see here. Thoughts on the SBF arrest and market implications today? I don't really think there's going to be a whole lot of market implications on the SBF arrest. I think we've seen. Okay, well, there's one other thing. Okay, there's some nonsense going on with CZ and Binance right now, where I don't necessarily know exactly what it was, but you're seeing a very similar narrative being pushed out by CZ saying that everything is fine. So again, at the end of the day, make sure that you guys know, not your keys, not your fucking crypto. Get your money off these damn exchanges. Cold storage. Take custody. Let's see. All right. Let's see here. Where's the dollar? What's the dollar doing? Off a cliff. Dude, look at that. Where's the 10-year? Hanging out at these lows. Spy's cooking. All right, let's see. They finally arrested the guy. I know they arrested him, but at the same time, it's like, do you really think anything all that bad is going to happen to this guy? I mean, in the back of my mind, I'm thinking SBF didn't, you know what? But who knows, man? Who knows? AMD running. Thank you. Yeah. See, I know the number that I'm like the dollar amount that I'll be up on AMD today off this move, which is nice. It's kind of cool. Like, cause I've just have so many shares of it that it's like, oh, that's nice. I don't have to do anything sometimes and I'll make over $1,000. It's nice. Now he's paid off anyone who could really hold him accountable, unless he has stuff on those other people as well. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I don't think you're going to see any direct market implications like really quick. The back of your mind is smart. I mean, you never know, man. You never know with these powerful people out there what they're capable of doing. So we'll see. Apple's trying to breach 150 over here. Let's see what we're gonna get. The report was not that good. Why is it running? It's because that it decreased for the largest amount by the largest amount since like I think the number is April 2020 or 2020 something like that. Let me look at this over here. Where is it? Yeah, April biggest decline since April 2020. That's what it is. But here's the thing. I think I'm going to tweet this up right now. Not 7.1. Remember, the Fed's inflation target is 2%. It's still 2%. Not 7.1. So we still have a long way to go. People are addicted to hopium. It's the stuff dreams are made of. Yeah, but you have to realize, like, we still have a long way to go. Things are moving in the right direction, but we're not there yet. AMC is better than AMD. That's just 1000% false. I've had a 48% compound annual growth rate over 5 years. No. Do you think that inflation going down was mainly because gas prices have come down so much? Yeah. Does it narrow it down to sectors? Yeah, it does. We could actually look at the exact report of where it where the inflation was actually coming from. I'd be very interested to see renters and like rental inflation. That's kind of the number that I'm looking at there. Ha, 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 ha. Yeah, I don't see anything yet. I'd have to look at the report to see where it came from. But Disney's not fucking buying it, bro. That's the dumb no. Yeah, rent and food. Yeah, that's kind of what I want to look at because we all know that gas is down, but it's like how much has rent and food moved it around? You guys are gonna get me going on a rant already, bro. I haven't even done anything this morning. We're about to start ranting. But MC growth rate of bag holders is the highest. All right, we're not gonna wait, dude. We can't continue to talk about this. We're gonna focus on things that actually matter in the market, dude. Like if you, if we're not gonna go on these rants, it's not productive for anybody. You guys know the deal. I was right. Leave it at that. How much do I pay for rent in Boston? A shitload. A shitload. Let's see. All right, team. Let's see what we're gonna get today. I mean, again, you got to remember the inflation target is still 2%, not 7.1. So you still we still have a long way to go. So Powell is probably gonna say tomorrow. This is kind of what I'm expecting. He's gonna say the data that we're seeing is moving in the right direction, but we still have some ways to go to get our rates to levels that are sufficiently restrictive. That is the narrative that I see coming tomorrow. If Powell says only 50 basis point hike, do you think this run will continue tomorrow? I think we're getting the 50 basis point hike, but it just depends on Powell's interpretation of it and the guidance that he's going to give going forward, which is kind of what I just said. I think he's going to say, yes, 50. We don't have to do these monster 75 basis point rate hikes anymore, but we still have a long way to go to get to levels at which are sufficiently restrictive to bring down inflation to our target rate of 2% over time. I could almost predict that he would say something like that word for word. And oil and gas costs will rise again once China fully reopens. Yeah, and we're still in these colder months here as well. How is oil doing this morning? Up, which is interesting. WTI is up 2.34. Brent's up 2.36. Fucking natural gas. I knew it. Should have taken that damn trade, bro. I knew it. Morning SV. Let's print as we always do. As we always do. Let's see. I actually could, dude, we could do a little quick rundown of platform as well. So, yeah, you guys all have your free trial. Let's see. In that cadence too. Yeah. Pork bellies. Now, technically today's Taco Tuesday, but I'm not Taco Tuesdaying it up today. I actually have something more fun going on today, which could be nice. I don't know. I'm excited. You never know. Imagine how Powell must be feeling this morning watching this pop and knowing what he has to do tomorrow. I don't know, man. Spot gold further extends gains up nearly 2%. Okay, Morrow, we can't stop. Don't be saying shit like that. Let her win. Guys, I can't do that. It's gone too far. It's a competitive mini golf event. I'm not letting anybody beat me. If they beat me fair and square, perfectly fine. All right, let's see, team. And again, since this is a public stream, if you guys wouldn't mind, if you haven't already, hit that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. We've got about 20 minutes until open. This is going to be fun today, dude. Ego tripping? No, that's not what it's about. Jamie, You just gonna let people win? You know you want a dog? Bro, I know. I kinda want a dog. Your gold question on Twitter yesterday. I know, Daniel, you gotta DM them to me. Like, you can just like I'd have to look at it again. I didn't have time to do it, but I saw it for a second and I was like, I still think that it's impossible for gold to for them to go back to gold. They have too much power with the way that they do things right now. Bold Rick predictions. Yeah, for those of you guys that don't know, this stock right here, RCI Hospitality, ticker symbol Rick, is a publicly traded strip club stock, which is kind of funny. That's why she'll appreciate the taste of victory. No, because then I have to get then I have to get a dog. Like, I'll legitimately have to like buy a dog. Should you buy crypto on FTX? Hold on. I didn't think it was dumb question hour. What the fuck? What? YOLO on Rick? No. Wish the market open for the public at 8:30. Why? Why? You would have just FOMO'd on this move up and then you're caught up in here. I mean, you could have made some money on it, but at the same time, it's like just wait for the other moves that are going to happen today. Patience, guys. You'll get your move. It's just you got to be very, very nimble today with this move that's already come up so much. I'll send you a certificate that says you're officially bought your dog and your monthly payments go to his food, dog toys. Bro, you know how much money a dog costs? A lot of money. I don't need to be like spending any more money on like an animal. I might have my dog up here for like a month or so, though. That would be pretty cool. Just bring Bodie up here. What's Rick? It was a joke, obviously. I know. What's Rick? It's a publicly traded strip club stock. That's it. They own a bunch of strip clubs. I heard about that on a podcast, and I was like, "There's no way that this is real." Marky Mark. Yeah. So here's the thing. You guys have been bringing this concept up of, oh my God, this stock looks the exact same as it did on this date. Again, the probability of it playing out the exact same is just not high enough for me to put my money at risk for. It just isn't. Looking at those types of patterns and thinking that like they're gonna run an algo on it the same way and move them, I don't abide by that. I don't trade that way. I've learned a ton, but I do miss YOLO the VIX. I do it sometimes, but very rarely. It's not just an animal, it's a companion. You cannot convince me to throw this mini golf match for me getting a dog. You can't do it. Sorry. Shop and coin remain at 8% plus. I will watch them for reversals later. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking for today. Reversals. That's how I'm viewing this. And I might just wait and see and catch one. If it doesn't happen, then I may just not trade today. Why? You guys all have that reversal video I posted yesterday. Make sure that you guys go watch that. That video is going to take you guys to the next level. SPY's up 3% right now. It's up $12. What's the ATR on this thing? Like 9? Loved my reversal video, Marky Mark. I appreciate that. Let's see. I hope she beats you fair and square then. You never know. Technically, I'm up 1 off the hole that we set up in her like living room. We had like a cup and like and I wanted to go outside and put it down this giant hill, but I was like, and then the fire department got in the way, and I was like, come on, bro. You need to watch it. Yeah, that's a real good video. We're gonna be posting a lot more videos like that for you guys. Just I like making that type of content a lot more. Open market. Yeah, I'm going to be very hands off for a while today just to kind of see what's going to happen. I don't think there's any reason to FOMO or willy nilly going into these trades super early. We'll get our opportunity to strike. Just wait for that opportunity to come. What should you do before buying your first stock? I would say learn like what a lot of the fundamental ratios are, what discounted cash flow models are, things like that. But at the end of the day, if you're going to be buying stocks for the long term, if you use it, you know how the company works and you see their prospects over the long term, and it's something that you like, I don't really have a problem with that if you're going to dollar cost average in. It's opening the doors to too many jokes. All right, bro. You posted the reversal video at a great time, it seems. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. You want to make money? Sleepy. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, we got 2 coffees set up. It's public live day. We're going to be having some fun. You guys all get a little bit of access to platform now for free. The platform is looking super sexy. I know a lot of you guys are over there already, but if you guys are interested, you guys get that 3-week free trial for our brand spanking new shiny toy, the platform. So if you guys are interested, remember, it's a lot of what we have currently with 1348, all of the alerts, all the predictive algorithms, live streams, curriculum videos. We also got some other special sauce on there too, and we have some other cool things coming. So right now, we also have unusual options activity on there as well, which I know a lot of you guys do like. We have a lot of stuff on there for you guys. We're changing the game for retail investors. You guys see it on social media all the time. Let's do it. And the free trial goes down to 2 weeks next month. So you actually get like an extra week this month in order to come and try it out. Nikki Ricky, absolutely no, I don't. Nvidia and Meta both up 6% plus. Yeah. I mean, everything's up a lot. Prediction on when the market opens 9:30. I'm just kidding. We'll see what happens, man. I would expect some decently crazy moves. I don't know if I'll touch it though. I want to wait for the low hanging fruit, the easy move, because I think this could easily get sold into, especially before Powell tomorrow. That's the thing. Like, this isn't over. We still have Powell. Good morning, SCV and the team. They're not changing the game. They're changing lives. Dale, I appreciate that, man. Thank you for those kind words. Let the market open to grab your 5 spy costs from overnight. Oh, Peter, you crushed it there. Hopefully you hedged it, man. I mean, it's risky to be doing stuff like that. Holy shit. Gabe coming in here with an absolutely fucking monster super. I appreciate that, dude. Holy fuck. Chase 3%. Watch what happens. Nope, I'm not. Dude, neither am I, buddy. There is no reason to be chasing this. You guys all saw that reversal video yesterday. That's what I'm going to be waiting for today. Gabe, thank you for the super, buddy. Let me see. I'll shoot you a link over here. You want to hop in for a bit? Let's see. Sent. Let's see. Gabe, thank you for that fucking monster super, dude. Gabe saying treat the lady right tonight. I'm gonna have to now. I'm gonna have to now, man. And you guys, getting a haircut, gotcha. Yeah, you guys were all saying that I gotta throw the mini golf mat. It's not happening. Let's see here. You wish you had TQQQ calls? TM Ohio, what'd you do? What do I think about Lulu? Lulu's an interesting one. The spreads are kind of shitty on it. I mean, the only really way that I've hit some nasty plays on Lulu in the past. Like 2020, I think the stock that I made the most money on was Lulu. It's up nicely here. The spreads are just going to be shitty though for day trade, so I would just be careful with it, man. I would stick to things that are going to have a little bit tighter spreads. SV, you have someone pretending to be you messaging me on Discord. Those motherfuckers. Dude, YouTube actually did something very interesting that makes it so easy to spot if it's me messaging in the comments or not. We all have our own YouTube handles now. So mine's at Short the Vix. If it's like at some random fucking letters and then my logo, it's not fucking me. You have 325 calls. Why? Why do you have 325 calls? Jesus Christ. Gabe, thank you for all these supers. Aren't you going on a date tonight here for her Uber after you're done? Gabe, thank you for the super, buddy. I don't even know what kind of fucking Uber I could buy with that. That's like the craziest Uber of all time. Send a Rolls Royce over here. Damn, bro. Thank you for those supers. I bought them yesterday. I understand, but why would you buy 325 calls? When do they expire, Dr. Q? Based on Invictus? No, you fucking didn't. No. Are you talking about spy calls? Oh, 325 calls. Dr. Q, sorry. I'm a dumbass. I'm an idiot. You're talking about Lulu. That makes a whole lot more sense. You did end up holding overnight, which I think is probably not the best idea. It's going to work out really good for you. Depending on your expiration date, those contracts should intrinsically be worth $1,300 each. I was thinking you were talking about 425 calls on the spy that expired today. Sorry, I'm a dumbass. I was like, what? I was like, what did you do? Didn't plan on it. Well, be careful. Holding things overnight, guys, is really, really risky. Okay, guys, let's be respectful in the live chat over here. Good morning, Vix. Joseph, I appreciate that. Sorry, just joined. What's the mindset for today? Not necessarily any particular stock. For me, it's wait and see. It's just wait. Again, so if you guys were thinking about also, Gabe, thank you, man, for those supers. I appreciate that, dude. The other thing that we have to think about, people are wild this morning in here. Yeah, I know. It happens. At least they're not asking to see my fucking feet today. But be nice to him on your date. Oh, thanks. All right. Thanks, Wade. But here's what it is. If you guys watch that reversal video from yesterday, which you all should, that's going to take you guys to the next level. That's free game right there that you guys should be incorporating into your trading. But I view the market as like an endurance battle or very similar to how I would roll when I was training jiu-jitsu all the time, or even if you're doing any type of combat sport, boxing, Muay Thai. In my opinion, it works. It's going to have the best correlation with like jiu-jitsu. A lot of the time, or sometimes what you're going to do is all you're doing is you're waiting, you're biding time, playing defense until your opponent gets tired, shows you those signs, and then you strike. That's what we do with those reversal trades, and that's what I'm going to be doing with the market today. I'm going to wait, bide my time, play defense, and wait for my opportunity to strike, get in, get out, make my money, and be done. If I don't get that opportunity today, I don't care. I can just come back tomorrow or the next day. When I did jiu-jitsu, would I rub my opponent's ankles? No. My guy literally is I'm not, no. Jesus Christ. Thanks for the super for Plan B. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, bro. Dude, thank you for all these supers. I appreciate it, buddy. Oh my God. I try to get everybody to be respectful in here, and every game's just like, Plan B. Thank you, Gabe. We'll be having a fun day tonight. Now we can get overpriced ice cream. Oh man, Gabe's the best wingman. You have no fucking idea. You have no fucking idea. Let's see. Gabe, I and my mother before you say stop. Gabe must have swung CPI calls to be doing that. Bro, I don't know if you guys know the deal with Gabe. He's just got it like that, man. There's some people out in the world that just they've done a lot of cool and accomplished a lot in their lives, and they just have it like that. They just can do whatever they want. Let's see. Which is why, again, when Gabe talks about the market and shows you guys how much success he's had in the past and how much success he continues to have, it's like, listen up, man. The dude knows what he's fucking talking about. So obviously, CPI is coming down. I heard you're going to any truth to that? Yeah, there is. To the golf course. It's cold out, bro. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithms over here. We're almost at 150 already. Thank you, team. CPI comes out at 10. No. CPI already came out. CPI already came out. So you're going to sell it open and think that's a good call? Yeah. Where am I? Boston. People like Gabe are driven. They never stop. Nope. He's got a crazy work ethic. I do not play Clash of Clans, no. What was CPI? 7.1% year over year versus 7.3. With news like the CPI and the RSIs are all on spiral 70 plus. Will there be technical bounces for hours that follow? Maybe. I'm just leaving this up for I'm just waiting. I'm not chasing a 3% move up, dude. I'm just not doing it. That there's zero probability of me wanting to chase a move up when the market's already up 3%. It's not happening. What's my jacket size? I think 42 long. 42 or 44 long. Depends on the brand. Let's see here. All right, we got 4 minutes to go. I don't like this glare that's over here, bro. The sun needs to move. The sun needs to just freaking move, man. Yeah. Also, Gabe, I think maybe in January we can do that trading challenge. I think that would be fun. Like do a little competition if you're still in here. Do like a little 10K trading challenge. I think that would be a fun thing to do for the community. Just set up accounts with 10K and then just let them fly. Rotate the apartment, maybe. I should do that. They have to check my water meter at some point this week, I think. No. There's no goal. That's not what it is. It's not 1 to 10K. We're not trying to 1000x these accounts, dude, because that's going to encourage us to take really risky bets for no reason. You want to give me some more jackets for the new year? Thank you, man. I'd appreciate that. I mean, I have a bunch of them. I rotate like 3 of them. I've been wearing this one a lot. I really like this one. This one's Ted Baker. The linen ones are Banana Republic, which I mean, whatever. But I have a couple of other nice jackets too that I just don't wear. I really want a Xenia custom suit. That's what I want. But again, maybe next year. Boston's beautiful. Yeah, I love Boston. Thanks to the super. Yes, here's your deposit. Dude, Gabe, I don't know what the fuck's going on here. You are going wild with the supers, buddy. I appreciate it. Do you still have the STV neon light? I do. Jesus, bro. You're fucking going like legitimately nuts with the supers. You don't have to do this. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Gabe is a savage. Here's my deposit. Dude. Fucking Jesus. Oh my Lord. Guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. We got 2 minutes to go until open. And remember, this month only, we are offering you guys a 3-week free trial to our brand spanking new platform. So if you guys are interested in hopping in there and joining our awesome community of money printers that just literally steal from the market every single day, the link's at the top of the live chat, but I will throw it in here before open so that you guys can hop in there and take a peek at what we're doing. Again, it's a risk-free 3-week trial. Next month, it drops down to 2-week free trial. So if you guys want that extra week, make sure that you guys are hopping in there as soon as you can, man. The new platform rocks. Monty, I appreciate that. I'm in Discord, so I have to shut off that and join here. So what you do is if you're on Patreon already, remember you go through platform, you sign up there. Once you link your platform to Discord, then you can go back in and cancel Patreon. Stop with the furniture stuff, guys. Andrew, they won't. And even if they do, small fine. And here we go. Ding, ding, ding. The market is open. Here we go, everybody. Let's get after it. Lulu. I mean, we don't really want Lulu over here. There's literally no reason I'm going to be. Slip, slip, slip. Tessie, a little weak over here. Let's see. Apple at 150 could be interesting, but we'll see. We will see. This Lulu call will pay for a year. Damn. I mean, Lulu position could probably get you in for lifetime too, bro. Let's see. All right. What's the Fed watch tool saying now? I was going to say that's fucking crazy. 62% probability of a 25 basis point rate hike in February. Fuck off. That's crazy. What are you watching for the reversal, the 5-minute, the 30-minute? There's a couple of things that I look for. It's usually the new MACD settings, the RSI, and what everything is looking like in relation to the overall market there. But it's typically the reversals that I play are going to come in the afternoon. But I put up a video yesterday on the full strategy of exactly how to play those reversals. I'd say definitely go watch that video. It walks you through a couple of the trades that I've actually made. That'll help you out a whole lot. Probably not going to do it right now. We talk about that reversal strategy all the time. That, the make it free, the stop loss strategy. You guys combine those things in your trading, you're going to be golden, bro. You just made $2,800, Dr. Q. You fucking monster. You fucking monster, dude. Congratulations. You are probably done for the day after that one. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way. We're almost at 200 likes. Damn, team. Thank you. I appreciate it. Also, Gabe, I hope you know that I'm hitting you with a big super in a little bit. I hope you know. I'm throwing a super your way too. Let's see. All right, folks. So Tessie's looking a little weak over here. Nancy, kind of same deal. So, I mean, this is a little bit of a different type of day. Maybe we could look for reversals in the morning. I just typically don't like to. So I really want to give this market enough time to digest the CPI move so we can pick some low-hanging fruit. This is just Apple's banging its head on 150 here. You see SPY flirting with its 13. Nancy's flirting with its 13. You see Tessie coming down a little bit here. 86% on your overnight intel calls. Guys, I really I love that you guys are making a bunch of gains over here, but please, for the love of God, be careful swinging things overnight into a coin flip event. 1.1% for the day, contemplating calling it quits. Yeah, I'm flat for the day. I haven't done anything. I didn't hold anything overnight. Just waiting. Just waiting. Look at AMD. It's slipping. I'm still up in the thousands of dollars on my AMD shares today, though. I love it. I love it, man. I don't want them to, what I've been down like overall on it this year just because it sold off a lot. I want to know, but today it's a win. Nickel, I'm back. We don't have to talk about Nickelback today. That's fine. We don't have to do that. All right, hold on. See, what's the day high here on Nancy? 187, bro. It was in the 170s and 160s yesterday. It's fucking Christ, Nancy. Jesus. Lay off the gas station boner pills, bro. Made a quick 15% on SQQQ call. Small position. Nice, man. Nice. Yeah, I mean, it is starting to move its way down here. Let's see if Apple can break its 13. You might see some things chopped down. There goes AMD. There goes Nancy a little bit. Where's Microsoft? Microsoft slipping a little bit here. SPY. Held one put overnight. That was dumb. Indicators were pointing to mainly bearish. Never doing that again. Yeah, guys, if you're looking at technicals and everything like that, it's not gonna tell you. People might say it does. It fucking doesn't. When news comes out, the market's just gonna react. Doesn't really matter what the technicals are saying. It's a coin flip 50-50 event. You're waiting for the downside. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look terrible here, man. Doesn't look awful, but we'll see. Apple trying to move back up. Microsoft doing its thing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bro, that just scared the shit out of me. That was the first time I opened my app this morning, and it looked like I still had a put position, but I didn't. I was like, whoa, 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 whoa. What have we done here? Let's see. Watch the market just chop all day now. Let's see if you get a little cascading sell off a little bit here. And Microsoft popping back up. Nancy selling off a little bit here. Let's see. Tesla getting murdered. Bouncing right off that 200 EMA here. Biden speaks at 10. That's not ideal. See what happens. Let's do this. Nancy slipping. Hold on. Yeah. All right. Hold on. I gotta do something here. Hold on. Hold on. All right. Cool. So I scalped Nancy a little bit. I scaled out. I have a stop it in profit. I'm up currently 8%, 6% right now. I've already scaled out. It's flickering down. I can't lose on this trade. I'm going to put my phone down and let this fucking thing go. All right. Oh, sorry. I had to do that one. That one just looked too good for me to pass up. So we'll see what happens with this. So yeah. I'm gonna leave that order there. And just see what happens with it. I think if it fills, yeah, we'll still be chilling, I think. I'll leave that order there for a bit, see what happens. If they stop me out there, that's fine for a quick flip. I scaled out at like almost the lows, which is sweet. Yeah, they took it. That's fine. Quick scalp. Easy money. Let's see here. Holy shit, Ivan! Thanks for the super, buddy. Blew my load on Christmas gifts for the fam. Here's $5, Ivan. Thank you, buddy. I'll get you. I'll send you something. So if you guys don't know, Ivan is the captain. He's a part of our team as well. Absolute killer. He always keeps us in check. If we're doing something stupid, I will be the first one to tell us to not be fucking idiots anymore. So Ivan, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Is it too late to enter NVIDIA? No, I just quick flipped it. So Again, we have that curriculum video for you guys about trading before 10. There's a right way and a wrong way to do it. That was just a very, very quick scalp. Very quick. Well, Ivan, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. So now it's moving back up. Caught this move on the candle down. Perfectly fine. Again, even if I was still fully in that trade here, the risk management would tell me, get the fuck out. But now we're just chilling. So now I really want to wait until later. Should I have done that? I don't know. The risk to reward there was good. Love our team. Dude, I love our team too. Yeah, shout out to Algo, Diana, every one of you guys that beta tested our products, man. And remember, you guys all get access to that 3-week free trial right now. This is the only month that it's going to be a 3-week free trial for our brand new platform. So again, that link is in the top of the live chat for those of you guys that are interested in hopping in there with us. I can throw it in there for you guys as well. You get our proprietary trading algorithms, Pythagoras, Invictus, Trader Joe, all of the normal alerts, all the live streams, all the curriculum videos. And we also added some special stuff with unusual options activity as well. We're going to have some curriculum videos on that. And we have some fucking wild shit in the pipeline coming for you guys too. So if you guys want to come in, see what it's all about, make some money in the market with us and see why all of our people are always so loud on social media about how awesome our system is, come check it out, man. Played SPY on that, 2.5% for the day. And that was with the stop getting hit. Thanks, team. Life changing. Yeah, let me see what I'm up today. Yeah, that trade that I just took put me up like 0.42% of the day. Small trade, quick scalp. Whereas unusual options in platform, when you search a ticker in the search bar, it pulls up all the recent unusual options activity. So again, this is a good illustration of the stop loss strategy here as well. I was able to scale out, move a stop into profit, and just let the thing go. Now it's up above the levels where I was getting in. I realized my gains. Some of the market has not realized their gains. They're still hoping that this is going to get cracked down. It could, but I don't really give a shit. I'm all for these quick in and outs. Let's see. I mean, the SPY risk reward here looks fucking good too, but we'll see. So here's the way I want you guys to start thinking sort of in this way as well. For risk management, in my mind, it's whatever happens first. It's either I'm going to hit my actual percentage stop loss, or we're going to see the actual price action come to a certain point on the chart that's going to tell me the trade is no longer valid. If I was looking at the SPY here, and this is very similar to the NVIDIA trade that I was looking at. If I was looking at the SPY here, I would say if I get a closing candle back above the 13, which is at 408.84, which is a 40-cent move, there's basically 40 cents of risk in my mind on if I was going to take SPY puts here, which I'm not going to because it's before 10. You're not seeing the cross. Just talking about risk management here, but that's how I would view this. If you get a candle above, you're out. That keeps your risk management super fucking tight. Well, that's going to disappoint your date. What's going to disappoint my date? I'm on day 9 of your daily compounding chart on platform, and I'm right on track. It's awesome. Nice. Yeah, we give you guys that daily compounding interest calculator too, and it gives you a goal for what you want to be aiming for every single day, depending on your account size and your what do you call it, in how much you're aiming to gain per day. RSI still above 50. Chill front running on the puts. Exactly. So if you look at this right here on the SPY, you saw it just get absolutely fucking cooked this morning. You're seeing the MACD lose its momentum yet. But again, remember, I don't know if Gabe's RSI video is out for you guys yet, but you can see right here, the RSI is peaking to the upside here. Now, again, it was in this nice little downtrend coming off of open here, but you could easily still see this thing rally up. That's why on that little quick scalp there, I was keeping it super tight. Up 13.4% on the portfolio for the day. You absolute monster. See, and now NVIDIA is coming back to the upside. So this is going to be a pretty big wait and see day, guys. We do have about 15 minutes until Invictus. I really wouldn't expect it to be firing off on much unless Tesla starts to drop below this 200. I could see it alerting on Tesla, but we'll see what happens within the next 15 minutes here and where the market actually wants to go. After that first trade that I took, I'm probably done for a while, man. Just going to wait and see where this market wants to go. Oops. Here comes Nancy up. A lot of stuff crossed already. Exactly. Like when you see things that have already crossed a lot, I mean, there's not, Invictus might be very quiet today. So here's what we fall back on: the 3-minute cross alerts that we give you guys, and the reversal strategies that I've made that video for you guys to learn yesterday. So we just fall back on the core concepts. Got TQQQ puts for 10 days out, and you said a 10% stop. Why, Tyler? Why have you done this? Again, remember, this is not over either. We have Powell tomorrow. Yeah, Tyler, that's a little risky, buddy. That's pretty risky, dude. This looks very similar to the SPY. A lot of and rim jobs. Yeah, you could rim it too, but the rims are always really quick. Like when I'm playing rims, I'm scalping like 5%. Like I'm not going nuts. Thanks for the video last night. I dissected it this morning. Appreciate what you and Gabe are doing. Billy Bats, thank you, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, I mean, I appreciate all your guys' support over here. Remember, without you guys coming in and buying into the system and trusting us with your education, we wouldn't have been able to make this unbelievably powerful platform for you guys. So again, you guys have just as much of a role and a stake in having this platform roll up as we do. Where's the reversal video? It's the most recent video on my channel. It should be called the most profitable reversal strategy you have ever seen, which is what it is. You guys changed lives. Luke, I appreciate that, man. Yeah, that's what our aim is to do at the end of the day. We want you guys to be able to come in, learn things, and trade the proper way and hopefully change your lives. We know a lot of people have already changed their lives here. A lot of the we've heard a lot of crazy stories. We've seen the gains, and we're just going to keep doing what we're doing. No noise on social media or nothing's going to stop us from accomplishing our mission of helping retail investors make money every single day in the market without all this other bullshit nonsense trying to make everything seem too complicated. It's not. I was often looking at rims to enter a trade. It doesn't always work. Yeah, I mean, the thing with the rims is your risk is really tight. Like if you're playing a rim, you know that if it crosses above that level that you're rimming off of, or the dynamic level, you're done. It's pretty simple. Life change, stock banger. Appreciate that, man. We are 9 likes away from 200 here as well. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. Fucking getting after it today, man. Today's a good day. Why are these things spiking up again? Market exuberance. The market is still digesting the CPI news. I mean, remember, it's the biggest decline in I believe year-over-year inflation since April of 2020. Public? Yeah, we are public today, Moonbound. If only if you guys only knew where I've been, I've changed my life. Luke, we'd love to hear your story one day, man. And that's exactly why we're going to keep pushing forward no matter what, man. Let's see. Ooh, that actually looks spicy. Bum, 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 bum. This is the worst culinary video I've ever watched. Calling at 12:30. Yeah, Gabe, you want to do call-ins today? That'd be fucking awesome. SPY sold back off a little bit. Making some money today. Good to see everyone again. Chip, good to see you too, buddy. Let's see. Let's do it. Fuck yeah, dude. So we'll have call-ins at 12:30 today. Probably on Gabe's channel. Yeah, so Gabe's going to be going live at around 10:30, 10:45 with you guys in a little bit as well. And then we'll have the 12:30 stream, and then I'll be back on at around 1:30. get after it, man. Gonna get the owner of the club to join 1348 from proof of concept from your portfolio. Okay, Nico, if I'm ever out in your area, I'll come mess around at your club. I'll come show you how STV does things. I like to keep it in the zoo for a while and then go wild and have fun. Google's still climbing. Let's see. I don't know, man. There's something about listening to Fred again at the with just fucking lights going everywhere and all that. It's just makes you feel alive, bro. Did someone say church? Alex Rodriguez was there this weekend. Dude, see, I feel like I would have run into like some famous people by now at the club that I go to. The only thing that happened was, and the only time I've ever heard of somebody that's like, and it was me getting recognized in the dance floor. And I was like, this is not how things should be. Nobody should be recognizing me. Dude, I love church. Church is great. What time's Powell tomorrow? So the report comes out at 2, and then the actual meeting is at 2:30. Yeah, Google is still climbing up here. I love church. Church is fun. I just sit home and read the Bible. Where's Tessie? Did Tessie break the 200? Nope. Yeah, Spies RSI is kind of flatlined here. Oh, it's fucking around with its 13. It's fucking around. Eric Church? No. You're an E-celeb? No, I'm not, though. Like, that's the thing. Like, I'm really not. It's overrated meeting celebrities? No, I know it is. I would just be like, this would be cool to just, like, have a... Like, just be, like, having a good time. Just be like, oh, cool. Which just never happened. It's weird. 2.23% on the portfolio. Thinking about calling it a day. Dude, you're a day ahead of schedule. Might as well. Yeah, I've only been recognized twice. And one of them I don't think even counts because I told the person where I was going to be. And then they've recognized me because I had like no service. So that doesn't count. But funny story. All right. All right. So market's kind of chopping around over here. This is a funny story. So I'm talking to like this 35-year-old woman who works at Millennium. If you don't know what Millennium is, you should know. It's one of the biggest funds in the world. So I'm talking to this lady and I'm like, oh, yeah. And then this dude who recognized me at this bar in Ocean City, Maryland, I think his name was Nick. I'm pretty sure it was Nick. Just pulls an absolute baller move, walks up to me as he's leaving out, and he's like, can I get a picture? And I'm like, I love you, bro. Just in the middle of when I'm talking to this girl. And I was like, this is cool. I appreciate that. I met Alicia Keys and chatted for a bit. She smelled delicious. I bet if anybody got the chance to use their other senses on her, it would be delicious as well. We should do a wrap-up party next year for the Midwest. Yeah, we should. That would be fun. Is Nick your date? No, Nick's not my date. But he came up and was like, can I get a picture before I go? And then the lady was like, who the fuck are you? And I'm like, you're one fucking shot at a cougar. No, there was the elevator lady, dude. There was the elevator lady here, which was hilarious. The ultimate wingman move. Hats off to that dude. Yeah, hats off. Hold on. I know his Instagram. Let me just look and see. I'm pretty sure his name was Nick. I meet a lot of people most of the time. It may not have been Nick. Hold on. Let me see here for a second. No, I don't know. I'd have to look. Is Nick a better wingman than Gabe? No. No chance. Impress him today on your date? I'm not going on a date with a dude. Jason Derulo came to the club after performing at Caesars. That was a party. Why is nobody coming to the club that I go to? The club's popping. Gabe is the ultimate wingman. That's yeah, bro. Yeah. You guys don't even know. You got no idea. Tassie looks interesting here. Oil, is it still ripping or is it coming back? Oil's up nicely here. Let me refresh it. Let me give a better picture of what oil's actually doing. Yeah, WTI's up 3, Brent's up 3.2, natural gas up 6.24. Yeah, it's ripping. Market doesn't know what it wants to do. That's why we're waiting. That's why we're waiting. I mean, Tassie's the yeah, no. I'm not touching that. 1 minute Collins buy? I wouldn't play that. Clubs are for children. I'm a child. I'm a fucking child then. Love it there. It's literally, it's not even like what go, it's just like the format of it's just like lights, smoke machines, cool music. It's all I need in my life. Or like nice and relaxing. It's the two things. Apple, yeah, Apple's kind of pitter pattering around over here. So market really hasn't picked its direction yet. Let's see. SPY would need to break this recent high here. But I mean, you did fly up to 414, which is a fucking level. Know the levels, team. Do you expect an intraday reversal on these spikes upward and why? I would say that it's pretty likely. I'm just going to wait for the signals. Wait for my signals. The same ones that we went over in the video yesterday. Clubs and lounges are dope. Never been to a lounge. I do want to go to a lounge, though. There kind of is a lounge, but stay on task here. Tessie slipping. It's my job to be a child. Yeah. It's always fun. It's always a good time, man. I used to go when I was on tilt too, just like pissed off about stuff and just be like, YOLO. Those were the days. Let's see. I love your house. Everything you need is in it. That's fair enough. I've been a homebody too. Like I'm like, I could do like the polar opposite. Like I could go like nuts and then I could just be like, I want to stay home for a month. Tesla levels. You're gonna have this pre-market low. You could look at this 8 a.m. wick right here, 169.30. Moving down a little bit further, you're pitter-pattering at this level right here, right flat at 170. You break 170, you might be selling off pretty aggressively here. But let's see. Tessie can have a mind of its own, which it looks like it's doing. Now, did I just say gooder? Jesus, what is wrong with me? I mean, the risk here is just another closing candle back above the 200. There's a decent amount of meat on the bone there, though. So 170, 175 is that 200 EMA for Tesla. You just kind of cracked down, retested it, and sold off a little bit. So if you were playing that off the 200, that's almost the time you want to start scaling out. I don't know. It's just everything's going to move all over the place here. So remember how we said that Tesla could be the one that Invictus starts to fire off on? It might be the first one that it gets. We'll see, though. Most gooder. My friend says more better a lot, but that's like sarcastically. What do I think of IWM? Check it out over here. Where do you guys have the blue pill line at? I still have to fix my trading view chart so that they update on mine. If I were to throw this on like the hourly, we could find a nice level here. This one right here. Boom. Boom. 186.37, 2 wicks. So let's see what we get here. It's not confirming anything yet. I mean, you are seeing it. The MACD lose its momentum. Here's the problem, though. When you see this giant move up on CPI, this is why I'm a little bit more hesitant today. It messes around with the indicators a little bit. So the RSI hit fucking 94. So in order for it to get back down below 50, you're already going to see it confirm to the downside. If you front run it, you might be able to catch a little bit more of the move. For me, though, if it just comes down, bounces off of 50 or this 13 right here, you could easily see this thing bounce back up. So I'm waiting for this market to really confirm where it wants to go. If I were to take a guess here, Tessie would be selling off, but Tessie can have a mind of its own. So yeah, new low, broke 170. Holy shit. There you go. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in if you guys have not already. You guys are at like a 50% like ratio. Holy fuck. Thank you, team. DraftKings. All right, let's see. Oh, it is 10 in the morning. Invictus. Let's pull up platform over here. So guys, this is platform. Let's see what we're going to get on Invictus. So it was updated here. Nothing yet. Let's see if Invictus is going to play out on anything. Remember, you guys all have access to that 3-week free trial with us. This is the only month that it's going to be a 3-week free trial. So if you guys do want to hop in, learn the strategy, hop in there with us, start making some money for completely free, hop in, man. The link's at the top of the live chat. So you just sign up. You won't get charged until 3 weeks from today, and you can always cancel before. Risk-free, man. And I'll throw that link in here for you guys again as well. Super quick 8% on Tesla. Nice, dude. Yeah. I mean, I liked it. It was just I didn't get it on the this was the move, the retest of the 200 there. So that was a sweet move. Tesla's only up 0.5% now. Jesus. Even with a cross down, Tesla's a chase at this point. What do you think? Yes. If I wanted to take the Tesla, it would have been when this candle opens and risk the 200 because the risk on this was 50 cents. And when I say the risk is 50 cents, just the prices. So 120, 170, 124 to 170, 175. Closing candle 50 cents higher would have told me to get the fuck out of that trade. But it didn't. So let's see. Invictus, nothing yet. Dude, this platform is so sexy, bro. I love this thing. Shout out to Andy. I don't know if Andy's lurking around here in the live chat, but dude. So you got a platform, the second wave. You just got an email with the code. Do you ignore the email? Yeah. Yeah, ignore that one. If you're already in, you're good. Show these people a little more platform. I think it's sexy. Not in dark mode. All right, let me flip it back to not dark mode. I like it in dark mode. So here's light mode over here. So this is light mode. You guys get all these 3-minute crosses over here. You get the predictive daily crosses, 4-hour daily, the actual daily crosses. So you get predictive daily and daily. Trader Joe, Pythagoras, and this compound calculator is awesome, man. So let's say that you're starting just really quickly here. We're going to do this quick. Let's say you're starting with about $10,000 and your goal for every single day is 1%. And your financial freedom number, meaning what you want to have in your account, is $1 million. Calculate how many trading days is this going to take you to get there? 463. And what we have here is an actual schedule of what you'll need to earn every single day in order to meet your goals. Now, what's awesome about this is you guys can actually come in here and download this spreadsheet and have it next to you every single day when you're trading, so you have your goal in mind. So if you started with $10,000 and you hit your $100 goal for the day, you're done. So this is a great way to kind of keep yourselves in check and make sure that you're putting the power of compound interest on your side. Learning library down here with all of the curriculum videos that we have, and we're going to be giving you guys a lot more stuff on here as well. Here's Apple, and look what we have. All of the unusual options activity coming in here, the most recent ones. And here, so this is what we're going to do here. I want to show you guys. So you get all the latest news as well. When you go to Invictus, I want to go yesterday. So Invictus, 70% success rate yesterday. Fucking nasty. So let's actually pick GME right here and pull up this little quick drawer. So now when you pull this up, you can export to all of these charts right here. So these are going to bring you the charts. You can get the recent unusual options activity, the 5-minute strategic options, which are the options that are going to make, and the strikes that are going to make the most sense for the trades that we teach in the strategy that we teach all the time. And you get all the latest news here on that given stock. So there is a lot on this platform over here, team. I'm going to flip this back to dark mode really quick. A little bit of a breakdown there. Again, if you guys want to come in, try it out for free. The link is in the top of the live chat. Let's do it. Tesla would have been the play. Damn. Yeah, I just missed it. It's okay. You're not going to hit all of them. But this risk reward right here, when it came down below that 200 EMA, nasty. Let's see if Invictus actually alerted this one. Where is it? Right here? No, this one right here. No, nothing yet. My eyes. I know. I personally like dark mode. Yeah, that's a $4 move on Tessie. That one would have been sweet, but it is what it is. You can't hit them all. Wow, Tessa's actually getting murdered here. It is chasey at this point. You've fallen down below yesterday's lows. This is not looking great for Tessie here. Yeah. Oh, the 3-minute alert on Tesla. Nice. Yeah. So you guys could have played that one. When did the 3-minute alert happen? Oh, way back here, dude. So you actually got this at 170. Nice. Apple. Yeah, Apple's starting to slip a little bit lower. Here comes Nancy. Here comes Spy. It's getting interesting here. Here we go, team. You missed buying Tesla by 5 cents. Oh, damn. If Amazon closes below the 13 put play, let's see. It does look like it's slipping here. That's a big candle on Amazon there. Let's see. Played Tesla put for a 25% gain. Fuck yeah, buddy. There you go. In after the second break of the 200. Bork, good trade there, buddy. Risking the 200. That was a good one. You were quick on the switch on that one. I wasn't. But good job hitting that one. Invictus should be firing off soon. Yeah, it should be. Let's see here. Spy slipping. AMC puts paying. Nice. Oh, hold on. Nancy's slipping there. Yeah. I just scalped a little bit more on Nancy. Nice little 5%er on that one. That was easy. Nice and quick. I couldn't get my full fill, so I just took that one quick. So Amazon down. Again, these quick I'm not looking for big gains, man. Like I'm just not. I don't need them. Now I'm up, let's see, on the day, 0.74% on the day. Cool. Easy, man. So we'll see what happens. It's coming down to the level it was at previously. This is a level here. So this is essentially what I did. I just scalped it to the level. Quick. Glad you sold your Tesla calls at open. Nice. Yeah, that was a good move there. Yep. So 2 for 2 on the day. Just quick, small scalps. See, Astro, I've never seen that problem on mine. You bought a put at 410, only took 8%. That's fine. You caught NVIDIA for 24%. Nice, man. Good shit. Good shit. It has to be the below the bid. Is that what you guys are doing? You're trying to put the stop at the bid? Because it's probably, if the bid comes there, the mid hits it, you're probably going to get stopped there. Like, I usually put my stops $30 per contract lower than what it's currently trading at. It usually, with enough time on those contracts, it gives it enough room to fuck around. Yeah, I'm just, that's 2 for 2 today. We'll see if I catch anything else that's really good, but quick and easy, man. No stress. Let's see. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way if you guys have not already. This is a fun stream, dude. We're having some fun today. 10% real quick on SPY. Use the stop loss strategy. Nice to secure gains. Exactly. You got to protect your gains, man. Secure the bag. That's what it's all about. It's not about hitting those giant trades. Here's the thing, and I want you guys to really buy into what I'm about to say right now. It's like almost a delayed gratification thing. It's going to feel way better when you have 1, 2, 300 times the amount of money in your account versus hitting 1, 2, 300% on a play. How do you get there? It's not through YOLOing. It's through smart, consistent trades over time. How much time do I give on my contracts? Today I'm playing. So today on these smaller trades, I'm playing contracts that expire this Friday. But if I do anything larger today and go in with full size, I will be buying next week contracts. So I would be protecting myself at that point. Because remember, I'm already up a little bit today. There's no reason to be fucking around too much. NCLH dump. Saved your Pythagoras put that you got into yesterday morning. Oh, shit. There you go. Moto, no. None of that nonsense. Yeah. So here's another thing that I want to talk about with you guys with the reversals. Yesterday, AMD was a really good example of a reversal that I'm viewing as a quick scalp. It was up a decent amount, 1.5%, 2%, but it wasn't up like 3, 4, 5%. So when I see a stock that's up like between like 1.5 and 2.5%, I'm looking at like a nice, easy, quick scalp to the downside. 10, 15%, maybe scale out, move the stop, and see what happens. On Netflix, it was a little bit different because the stock was up like 5%. It was like not really on a whole lot of news. It can make a larger move to the downside. So again, there's going to be certain scenarios where you're looking for more or less out of the trade. How does Microsoft look? Let's take a look here. That's Morgan Stanley. I don't know why the fuck it did that. Microsoft. Looks okay. Looks pretty similar to Nvidia over here. SPY's just kind of chopping its way around here. I think that we could just chop around today, guys. So this is kind of chop city right now on the SPY. It's not moving aggressively. Like the wicks aren't all that nuts, but it is chopping around. So I'd be a little careful. I told myself I was only going to trade with all indicators ideal. MACD cross downs are happening above neutral, testing your discipline. Just wait. Just be patient. Here's the thing by GME, and this is what I want you guys to think about too. If you're looking at the same set of indicators, the same things on the chart on every single trade, it lessens the amount of trades that you might actually be taking. But you have to have some patience. And here's what that patience gives you: high quality setups. So your win percentage goes up. The amount of money that you're making on each individual trade goes up. And if you're keeping your wrist tight with the strategy that I'm going to talk about with using the levels and the EMAs to kind of calibrate your risk, your losses are going to be smaller. Slow day for me so far, up 1.71% on the portfolio. Think you're out for the day? There you go. There you go, Holden. Signed up for the new rate. How do you cancel the old one? So, Earl, make sure that you link your platform to Discord, and then you can go into Patreon if you were a previous Patreon member, and then cancel your Patreon. 1348 is a free 3-week deal. Yeah, you guys can get access to our platform for 3 weeks for free. Come test it out, see if you like it. I mean, all of our members so far have been loving it. Let's see. I mean, we've put a lot of time, money, and effort into this platform. And again, you guys are just as important in building this platform as the people that were kind of behind the scenes. Without you guys, we wouldn't have been able to build all of these tools for you guys. Why didn't you like Patreon? Patreon sucks. They let a bunch of freeloaders in, which again, it wasn't their fault. Like it was just a Patreon issue. Their like linking software was not working. And their fees are absolutely ridiculous. Like it's crazy the amount of money that we were paying Patreon for them to then mess up the access stuff. It's like, no. GME 3-minute cross down. Ooh, hold on. Yeah, it looks decent on the 5-minute here. It's already made a pretty big move from 23.80 to that's about $1 of a move there. Maybe let's see what happens with the SPY here. They take like 30%. No, they take like 12, but that's still fucking crazy. How's Tesla? Oh my God, that hit 165, bro. Jesus. Maxine Waters live on FTX. You guys want to watch that for a couple minutes? Let's see, is it this here? You guys want to watch that for a few minutes? The FTX stuff? Let's do thumbs up in the live chat or thumbs down. 13 green days in a row, not risking anymore. Holden, monster. You're down? All right. Let's see. All right, let me turn this on real quick. Move this over here.
For its size, but for the company's total disregard for standard business practices, governance, risk management, and criminal conduct. Mr. Ray, who also oversaw one of the largest corporate bankruptcies in United States history, Enron, declared that he had never in his career seen such, and I quote, complete failure of corporate controls and such a complete absence of trustworthy financial information as occurred here, end of quote. I'm so deeply troubled to learn how common it was for Bankman-Fried and FTX employees to steal from the cookie jar of customer funds to finance their lavish lifestyles. Today, this committee will dig deeper into Mr. Ray's findings with the hopes of piecing together the events that led to the collapse of FTX and the subsequent harm to millions of customers who put their trust in the platform. We will also look at FTX's deep ties with Alameda, a crypto hedge fund predominantly owned by Bankman-Fried that gambled away billions of dollars in customer assets that were inappropriately transferred from FTX. And importantly, we will hear how Mr. Ray and his team are trying to recover funds for customers by piecing together Bankman-Fried's broken record keeping and by identifying potentially unlawful transfers to himself as well as his friends and family. Under my leadership over the past 4 years, this committee has closely focused on the growth and popularity of crypto precisely because of the many concerns that the failure of FTX has highlighted. Last year, I created a digital assets working group comprised of Democratic members of the committee with the goal of learning more about the underlying technologies, applications for finance, and the risk they pose to customers, consumers, and the economy. When the president's working group on financial markets urged Congress to safeguard the economy from stablecoin risk, I and Ranking Member McHenry jumped into action and continued to work on a bill with the members of this committee. The ongoing failures of crypto firms like Terra USD, Celsius, BlockFi, and most significantly, FTX and Alameda Research only serves to strengthen the importance for Congress and the public to understand the harm caused to customers. What laws have been broken or flaunted, and how Congress and the regulators can prevent this from happening again. I want to say that I'm pleased that the committee's efforts have pushed enforcement agencies across the country to take greater action against bad actors who misuse customers' funds. I also applaud the SEC for authorizing separate charges relating to Mr. Bankman-Fried, and I look forward to additional actions to hold him accountable and make customers more whole again. I yield back. And I now recognize the ranking member of the committee, the gentleman from North Carolina, Mr. McHenry, for 5 minutes.
Thank you, Madam Chair. We've heard everything but the truth. Tweets, DMs, and interviews are no substitute for the facts. And that's why Chairwoman Waters and I worked together to get this hearing on the books, the first bipartisan hearing of this committee in the last 4 years. And we've worked together to invite 2 witnesses. One, Mr. Ray is proven to be a reliable witness. Second, well, frankly, I look forward to getting his lies here on the record under oath. Nevertheless, the arrest of Sam Bankman-Fried is welcome news, but it still does not get to the bottom of what happened at FTX and why it happened and who else may be responsible. We need to understand the flow of funds between FTX and Alameda Research and the 130 related entities. We need to examine the actions of those who may have contributed to what has been called a, quote, complete failure of corporate controls, end quote. That quote comes from Mr. Ray, the newly appointed CEO. And we need answers for the U.S. platform customers stuck in limbo. But our work here, our work doesn't stop there. We have an obligation to do everything in our power to ensure this never happens again. But let's face it, there's an old saying, there's nothing new under the sun. And it's safe to assume that fraud and fraudsters have been around just as long as that phrase has been around. Bankman-Fried's play is nothing new. We've seen it before. In the late 1800s, when the Union Pacific purposefully inflated the price of railroad construction to line its executive pockets. Or in the 1900s, when the con man George C. Parker was arrested for illegally, quote unquote, selling the Brooklyn Bridge, Madison Square Garden, and the Statue of Liberty.
All right. Who fucking cares? They're not going to say anything really. They're just going to argue and be like, this is bad. This should not happen anymore. No. Shut the fuck up. He paid you all. So we're not really going to be listening to that anymore. Again, guys, we got a couple minutes left of the stream here. Let's see where we're going to get. So here's the deal. I will be hunting for a Moderna reversal later. This has had all green candles today. What the hell is the news on this thing? See, that's stock soars on cancer vaccine news. See, that's going to make me a little bit more cautious on actually playing this reversal. Now, could it happen? Yes. But when is it most likely going to happen? Way later in the day. Buy the rumor, sell the news. So let's see if that happens later in the day. I will be aggressively hunting for that later. Right now, no. But that's definitely something I'm going to be keeping my eye on going into later in the day. AMC puts paying. This is personal for you. Luke, fucking make that money, buddy. Let's see. All right, team. Dude, we are almost at 250 likes, bro. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate that. Let's see. All right, so SPY's coming down to this 48 right here. You got Apple slipping a little bit. You got Tessie coming back down. Early Christmas gift from Gabe. Dude, I know. Gabe went fucking nuts today on the supers. I got to send him one over in a little bit. Went in again. Now 1.49% for the day. Now I'm really quitting. Nicky Ricky, my man. There you go, guys. Absolutely killing it today, as we usually do. Yeah, get ready for platform too, team. Hop in there, test it out, see how you like it. Oh, let's see what we got on Invictus. Nothing yet. Nothing on Invictus yet. Let's see. He's waiting. Invictus is waiting. Any other afternoon things to watch? No, not in terms of like news coming out. AMC puts printing. Dude, what do you guys? Oh, there you guys go. Holy shit. You guys are fucking printing on those. Good shit, team. Make that money. 20% on a GME put. Nice. We were looking at that one for a second as well, too. It was cracking down below that 200. Yup. There you go. SPY slipping a little bit lower here as well. Apple cracking. Oh, look at that. There it goes. Good shit, team. All right. Where is Nancy? Could I have held these Nancys? Yeah. Whatever. Oh, did he schedule it? Oh, that's what we're going to do. Yeah, I got to find this. Yeah, here we go. Just made 20% on a SPY put. You guys are killing it, dude. You guys are killing it. I love it, man. I love seeing you guys make money. That's literally I like doing fun things and I like doing all that. My greatest, like what makes me the most happy most of the time is seeing you guys absolutely print money in the market, dude. It is awesome to see. Biden speech. Yeah, what's he saying? I haven't seen any updates come out from it. Let's see here. How is Tesla eating shit on an awesome CPI print? Spies, I mean, it's selling back off to the downside, man. I mean, it could be Elon. You never know. But we were looking at this one around this 200 here. You got this retest. I wasn't quick enough on this one, but that was a nasty play. I know some of you guys hit that one. So good for you guys that were in those Tesla puts. Nancy's slipping a little bit lower here now. Spy's starting to get a little bit lower. Interesting. You tried to rim Tesla with a tight stop in the 1 minute, got stopped out for a small loss, and now it knifes. Yeah, careful with one minute rims, man. Careful with those. All right. 5% on Bank of America puts. Nice. Nice, dude. Let's see here. Gabe in 5. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Let's see. Dude, we need 8 more likes for 250. Let's see if we can get it by the end of the stream. Let's see if we can get it. We got 8 slackers over here. Let's see if we can get up there. Let's see. I mean, you came down to that 404.50. Let's see what happens here. Everything's kind of sitting on a shelf. A bunch of news circulating on Tesla that Elon's appointing someone to replace him as CEO. Ooh, I haven't seen that, but that's interesting. You got me? Thank you. Tacos are tasty. I appreciate that. Got my 1%, 2 for 2, waiting for only high quality setups. Thank you guys. Oh, you hit it. Thank you, everybody. Is the risk of a 1 minute 200 a bad risk? I like the 5 minute levels. It gives you a little bit more wiggle room. You can do it. It'll keep your risk pretty tight, but I'd be careful with it. 2 baby scalps on 395 puts. If I just held the first one, you would have made your month. Well, you don't have to do that every single time, man. You can't. I mean, again, you could have used the stop loss strategy, but this is 4.34% on the port. Scratch golf. I'm gonna need some of your scratch golf skills today, buddy. I don't know. When I played in Florida, I actually played really well. Lucid Invictus. Ooh, we got one. Dude, Tesla's getting murdered here. Yeah, wait for this candle to close down below this 200, and then you can risk the 200. That's what I would do with it. I'm probably not going to take Lucid just because it's an $8.40 stock. But you can do it if you want to. Playing reversals is more fun. Dude, I'm telling you right now, my favorite trades are the reversals. GME is paying. You guys have those puts still? Oh my God, bro. Look at that move below the 200. When we were looking at this one, here, right at the 200, that's a nice move. 7% on the portfolio and you're out. Jesus. Love you guys. Yep. Again, if you guys are new around here, we like to print, bro. We love to print. But guys, it is 10:28 in the morning. That is going to wrap up the live stream for this morning. Kel's Customs, 20% on AMC puts. Tesla flushing again. Yeah, this is getting a little aggressive over here. So again, remember, for those of you guys that don't know, you guys all have a 3-week free trial to come in and test out our brand new platform. The link is at the top of the live chat over there. If you want to come in and change your life like all of these other people in our live chat and in our community have done, make sure you guys come test it out. We will walk you through every step of the way. You guys know what you're getting at this point. You get the unusual options data. You get all of the latest news. You get Invictus, Pythagoras, Trader Joe, all the live streams, everything. So the prices are going to be going up eventually. We're not necessarily sure when we're going to do that, but they will. And this month is the only month for a 3-week free trial. Then it drops down to 2 weeks. So if you guys want to hop in there with us, we'd love to have you, man. Our community is awesome. We are one of the largest communities as well. But this platform is absolutely game-changing. So that link is at the top of the live chat. I will throw the link to Gabe's live stream over here too. So make sure you guys go flood the live chat over there. LMS TV sent you, man. So if you want to go say hi to Gabe, go over there. I sent his the link to his stream coming up. Make sure you guys go tell him that STV sent you. I will see you guys a little bit later. We're going to be doing the call-in stream at 12:30, and then at 1:30, I'll be hopping on back live, and we'll go have some fun, man. So everybody, shout out to all you guys that came in here for this stream. We'll see you a little bit later. I love you all. Thanks for giving me this platform as always. Team, if you're up a lot, be careful. There's no reason to force it today. Other than that, everybody, I'll see you later. Peace.